Hello everyone, welcome to this live market analysis of Forex. So let's start GBPJPY from the 4 hour time frame. So in the 4 hour time frame, you can see that price was in a clear uptrend, and we have see the latest support price was rejecting from the 165.46 level, which shows the some more strong bullishness in the market because price takes support from the level from multiple times. So this is the clear overview. Price was in the uptrend. All right. So if we go to the shorter time frame, I can I can show you. So if we go to the shorter time frame, you can see that 1 hour time frame. So in the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the clear levels price was now the market was closed on the Monday open. Uh, this is a no trade zone, which is around about 166.12 to 165.93. This is a clear no trade zone because price was in a range. You can see that. So we expect that if price break this level to the upside, and on 30 minutes time frame, the candle close above this 166.15 level, so we have a clear range to the upside. You can see that we have a clear target of all something 60 pips, first target. So after the breakout of this area, you can go long here for the target of this, and your stop loss below this support area. So this is a clear trade for the Monday GBP JPY.